Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm looking at the pros and cons of using Depositphotos AI image generator in 2025. Let's start with the pros. 1. High quality output. It generates sharp, high resolution images, often with greater clarity than competitors. 2. Commercial use. It ensures that AI generated content meets licensing standards for commercial use. 3. User-friendly interface. It is designed for ease of use with prompt inspiration tips to help users get more creative ideas. And lastly, creative control. It offers customization options for greater creative control over the generated images. Now let's look at the cons. 1. Prompt sensitivity. It can produce generic results if prompts are not specific enough, requiring descriptive inputs to get desired outcomes. 2. Accuracy variation. Not every image is perfect on the first try, so users may need to experiment with prompts and generate multiple images. Lastly, language limitations. While it supports multiple languages, English-based prompts yield the most accurate results. And those are the pros and cons of using Depositphotos AI image generator in 2025.